So I'm sure you can already tell, but today's video is going to be completely different than any other video I've shot before. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, that is appreciated. Now first, let me start off by saying I know the video quality isn't super fantastic and the audio quality might be the same, but I got these glasses for Christmas this year and I've been wanting an opportunity to use them, and this is that opportunity. Today is show day and I figured what better way to go to a show than to just take you guys with me in a full POV video. Now if this is something that works out, I can go ahead and upgrade these eventually to like the Ray-Ban ones that have much better video quality. One of the biggest things though is I have to be careful not to move around too much, because if I do, the video quality gets real blurry and it gets a little, nauseating for you guys. Sorry about that. Okay, now we can say goodbye to the mirror and go ahead and get started with our day. So it is currently 8:50, which is a little bit of a later start than I would have liked for a show day. Roll-in time isn't until 10, but I still like to give enough time to make sure everything's fully ready. And of course, the first thing that we have to do is get the cars started. And this is definitely one of the only downsides I would say about having cars with air suspension, is you can't just start them up and go, or start them up, let them warm up a little bit, and then go. You have to start them all up and make sure the bag's still up. Hopefully these glasses don't look too goofy either. I think they look okay though, it's not too bad. Okay, I also need to put my mirrors back on because we tried wrapping them like the rest of the car, and for whatever reason the mirrors did not want to stick, so ended up just taking them off and spray painting them. So we got to get those back on before the show and then start packing everything that we need. Okay, so first mirror is back on. Also, Jonathan has arrived. Yep. Should be interesting. I already told them I got to try not to move around too fast, but Jonathan's car is looking really good. Just got the new diffuser on. He wrapped it in this satin black. Looks really good, especially with the tint and his white wheels. So looking forward to having his car. And wheels are clean. They are. I just noticed they're not yellow. I mean, they like seem yellow stained a little bit almost. I'm just kidding. Ow. Dang, alright Zay, show the vlog how to shuffle. Yeah, everything I'm looking at. And it's reasons like this of like driving that I kind of bought these two, because I wanted to be able to do like vlogs or videos of driving the car sometimes, if like I ever go like down a cool mountain, or even just driving around with you guys, and I don't know, just having a vlog about like talking and stuff more. So I thought these would be kind of cool. Hopefully this vlog's not too long. I'm trying not to just have a full running clip that just goes on forever, because I don't want you guys to be stuck here forever, or it to not be entertaining or nauseating or any of that stuff. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this concept and everything's going well. So now is the fun time of actually cleaning everything off. Also, thank you to Devin. Initially we were parked there and I honestly wasn't really happy with it, but here's a much better spot where people can see immediately, so thank you to Devin for allowing us to move.
I think this is the best car.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Oh, you're good. Say hi to the vlog, Devin. Huh? Say hi to the vlog.
Whoa!
No.
What's
damn.
up, everyone?
Oh, real close and personal.
Why is it whenever you film me on my lips are always dry? Every time.
Mine are super dry now that you're talking about it. You just want me to look at your lips, that's all it is. Okay, so both cars are nice and clean. Honestly, really happy with how the queue turned out. But now that this line's pretty much good, gonna go say hi to Zay and everybody else, and then from there, maybe we'll go eat some breakfast, because I'm hungry. Thanks.
Because those blue, right?
Yeah, it is like a real pretty, like, it is lighter than that, but I decided to go with a darker color, and
That's fucking cool.
thanks, man.
We gotta get a shoot with that.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I definitely want like as many photos and everything as I can now that it's done. It's looking better. But,
Yeah, 2 weeks.
yeah, that should work.
Alright. Well, nice seeing you.
Yeah, you too, man. It's good to see you.
Sure.
Nice. Both of them are.
Oh, they're clean.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. What's going on, man? How's it going? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Say hi to the vlog. This is a vlog today.
Hell yeah, what's up?
Thanks. Hi.
What's up,
You're
buddy?
looking good, man. Like the haircut.
Appreciate
Of course,
it.
good to see you.
Good, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Did your rap get finished up?
Yeah, for the queue.
Oh,
Yeah.
What's up, dude? How are you? Good. You guys did his car too, right?
Yeah, his car's over there too.
Did myself.
Pretty much, yeah.
There you go.
I
Steph
didn't
just like watched.
Yeah, I was just there.
I did it my driveway.
You missed a spot just while I'm eating snacks.
You're doing it wrong. It's supposed to go on the other way. Alright, where you guys parked at?
We're like up against the wall, pretty much.
Okay, check it out. What color did you do on your car?
That's it. Gotta go live.
How was it?
Wrapping it?
Yeah, I tuned into the live.
It took quite a while.
Hey, what is that? Did it?
What's up?
Yeah.
I tuned in the live like 3 or 4 times.
Thanks, man.
Val, you want to come with? Well, let's check out Steph's car. Max City. We'll catch up with you, man.
Good to see you, man. I know. How are you? Pretty good.
Oh, I tuned into the live and I was watching those fucking assholes all
dude.
talking their shit.
Yeah. I'm trying to vlog a little differently today.
Oh, nice. Oh, shit.
Yep.
I don't know why. I was looking at you from my peripheral. I saw. Dude, so what brand is this?
Amazon.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, the quality's not like the greatest, but it's just like a test. If it turns out good, then I'll like look at the Ray-Ban ones. But
when you upload it like to your phone, is it horizontal or is it vertical?
no, it's horizontal. Yeah.
Nice. Fuck, that color's hard. Dude.
Thanks, man.
Sick. Yeah, whoever wrapped this. Those lives are ridiculous.
I got pissed. Were you in the one when I was heated?
I mean, you're heated in most of them.
I know there's one other one that's here. It's a guy named Kenny who owns a all carbon fiber NSX who has one.
Yeah, I know Kenny.
Oh, do you?
Yeah,
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I forgot he had one too.
Yeah, not many people know about Kenny, dude. But
Kenny don't even come out.
dude, it sucks, man, because his car's so pretty.
You're just letting your carbon collect.
I know, dude. He'll just post it on Facebook every once in a while, and that's it.
Shit too.
You hungry? Want to go try and eat? Only thing is we have to fucking walk all the way to the gate and then out. You gonna be okay walking?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yep. Okay, so some time has passed. Went and got some food, and the rest of the cars are pretty much set up right now. I know, people are probably looking at me really weird right now because they're like, he doesn't have a camera on him, but I do. Hi.
Yeah, it is the cop's dad.
Say hi to the vlog, Noah.
You what?
Hey. It's alright, I've just been like walking around completely talking to myself, like. Efficiency.
It's like it's like trying to find that homie's car from Colorado. Because he wanted me to.
Oh, she brought her car.
Her glass pipes look good.
Yeah. But like, they're, I don't know. Like with the diffuser again, I think like your blast pipes look a little better. All right, now I'm a little. I should have put my Z inside instead.
That's my dream car.
Is this Shane's? Probably. Yeah.
And you got the clear too, let's go.
Thank you. Hi, cutie
Hi.
patootie. How are you?
Pretty good, you?
Not too bad. Is the car here?
Yeah, they're both outside. Yeah.
Did you wrap the Infinity already?
Yeah, it's all done.
Every time I get onto TikTok, I rarely get on there, and then I see like life update out of you, and I'm like, oh.
There you go. Appreciate it, man. It got approved for inside, but both of them are my cars, so I wanted them to be together. This one and the Q50, so I was like, yeah. I appreciate you though, man. Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks.
That's how they go tire, dude.
Thanks, man. It's a midnight emerald green. Yeah, this one took a while.
That was good though, dude.
Thank you.
Man, you're really good at your seams, dude.
It's fucking Jonathan, dude. He'll knock him out without like 2A tape and or like knifeless tape. Sometimes like we don't have any, I'll just hand cut it and knocks it out. He's good, man. And at night, like it just like looks straight black almost.
Sick with the white wheels too, dude. It's good contrast.
Thanks. Yeah, I just need to get better wheels for it. I had some dude jump on my YouTube channel the other day, like, get rid of the fake wheels. I was like, you realize I have 6 cars, I have real wheels on my other car, and like,
I love how that's still an argument.
yeah, and I was like, I built this to be as clean and as cheap as I possibly could, so like, you thinking that's, you know.
I still got people hitting on me on JZX, like, why do you have contacts on there? I don't know, because I paid cash for like a Japanese car, like, oh, like, if I don't have money to just go buy, you know, some $4,000 wheels at the moment.
Yeah, dude.
But let me know next time you buy, you know, a full Japanese car cash.
Yep.
Let me know.
Hi guys. How you doing? Pretty good, you?
Yeah. How are you?
Nice ride, dude. Is that gonna win the award, probably?
Heck
You
yeah.
can enter him in the limbo contest.
There you go, man. You guys might just win.
Hi,
Thanks, man.
how are you?
Good, and you?
Good. Typing. I can't answer it.
So officially back home, and all in all, it was a really good day. The Q looks amazing. The Z looks great. There are some things that I would like to improve on. The wrap definitely could look better on this car, and there are some stuff that I still want to improve on, just because I want to get this car to a point where anybody looks at it and they think that it was taken to a shop for everything that's done. Obviously, it's all custom work that I did myself. I'm very proud of that, but I want to get even better, not just for this car, but for all of my builds and everything, and I'm really excited to continue that process and get through this. I'm probably going to wrap my Z a different color at some point. I have about 2 different ideas that I'm thinking of, and I've even considered possibly changing my wheel color, even though that would be a process to go through, so we will see if that's something that actually happens or not. With that being said though, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was something completely different. I hope the video quality and the audio quality is okay, and I just really appreciate you guys sticking with me through this. After getting the Z carbon done and the Q wrap done and Jonathan's car, I am ready for a nice relaxing night tonight and a day off tomorrow. So with that, I'll end the inception here. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.